Accidentally did this a moment ago, but we'll just do it again real quickly because again, I want to emphasize how easy this is to get the other two identities if you know the first one. Well, we know the first identity is cosine squared theta. What keeps vibrating? Do you hear that shaking all the time? I need to figure that out. Alright, I found the culprit. It'll no longer be rattling, but it is still a squeaky desk, so it still will squeak. Sorry about that. But remember, cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. Another cool way to remember that is, if you think of the unit circle has the equation x squared plus y squared equals 1. That's the equation of a circle. X squared plus y squared equals radius squared, and the radius of the unit circle is 1. And we know that x is cosine and y is sine, so that quick substitution gets us cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. So that's kind of cool. Okay, well, the other two come super easily. Divide everything by cosine squared theta. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. And we get cosine squared theta over cosine squared theta equals 1 plus sine squared theta over cosine squared theta equals tan squared theta equals 1 over cosine squared theta is the same as secant squared theta. So there's our second identity. And now we're going to do the same thing again, but this time, if we start with our Pythag identity, and now instead of dividing by cosine squared theta, we'll divide everything by sine squared theta. And think about how this is going to be super similar, but slightly different. This time we're going to get cosine squared theta over sine squared theta is cotan squared theta, plus sine squared theta over sine squared theta is 1, equals 1 over sine squared theta is cosecant squared theta. And again, that's just using the reciprocal identities and the quotient identities for tan and cotan, secant and cosecant. And so, if you can remember the one Pythag identity, you can get the other one for free, pretty much. The other two for free. Ha ha!